Gonzales! Welcome back to my channel. Today, our recipe is bacon wrap asparagus. Isi-share ko sa inyo yung step by step on how to bake asparagus with bacon. Very simple and yet it's super delicious. So, samahan niyo ako. Tara! Our main ingredients ay asparagus and bacon. Then, add natin yung salt, pepper, and oil para malasa siya and masarap. Set natin yung oven for bake ng 400 degrees. Habang nakaset yung oven natin, piprepare ko naman tong ating asparagus and bacon. Itong ating bacon wrap. It's ready! Now, nakita nyo ang ating finished product, ang bacon wrap asparagus. Hopefully, nagustuhan nyo ang ating bagong episode na to. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.